to become client ready and start earning as a virtual assistant by 2026? Here's exactly how the pay raise in 100 days. The hashtag VA Success Tricks 2026 challenge works step by step. Over the past 4 years that I am here on TikTok and teaching about how to start working from home, yung pinakang madalas na tinatanong sa amin is, wala bang self-paced na training? And as a kinesthetic learner, ako talaga, I always go for live session, make sure na umatan kayo ng live because iba pa rin yung na-experience mo yun. But I do understand na meron talaga mga tao na either walang time to do it or does not have the energy to do it, especially the introverts, and they don't feel like they will bloom or they will learn if nandun sila sa group settings. And so, as we transition to the new system, we are happy to announce that we finally have a self-paced class for only 399 pesos. And today, let me explain to you kung ano naman yung magiging learn and growth path mo if ito yung kukunin mo na class. The very first thing, of course, would be enrollment. Once you secure your slot, you are officially on your way to building your freelance career. Limited slots lang siya. Ibig sabihin, sa day 1, it's very important na kasama ka na, kaya wag mo nang intayin. Next, of course, hindi mawawala ang onboarding. Para sa akin talaga, ito yung pinakang favorite part ko because dito hinahasa namin ang reading comprehension at pag-follow ng instructions. Sa step 2, onboarding, after your payment is validated, you will take a very short online course just to get you familiar with the program. Paano nga ba makakasali dun sa 100 days challenge? This is where you learn how to join the classroom, where the day 1 to day 100 tasks will be dropped. Remember, wala tayong live sessions dito ha. Ang meron lang tayo would be yung mga touch base for Q&A meetings, and we will also be providing individual feedback sa mga homeworks ninyo para hindi naman kayo feeling stuck. Now, alam ko ito yung kasunod na itatanong ng mga tao, may internship po ba? Well, internship would be based on your performance and Growth Hub standing. You may be offered an internship to gain real hands-on experience with clients. This is optional though, but would be a great boost para sa VA portfolio mo. But again, this is based on your performance. Now, right in the middle, probably around day 50 or day 60, you would also have your application book. Kagaya ng mga live sessions namin will also guide you on how to apply for clients, and completing this is integrated into your daily 100 tasks. It's like building your freelance toolkit as you learn. Next, you would still have to complete your final activity. So after finishing your application book, you will submit your output, proof that you are ready to start taking on clients confidently. And syempre, hindi mo walang mock interview. You'd still have your one-on-one with me. There are 2 parts here. We'll practice the interview questions until you're confident, and you will also review your application book for feedback. Now, keep in mind, guys, that most beginners don't make it to round 1, but we will support you every step of the way. And once you have completed your full training, syempre, may certification. After passing the mock interview, your certificate will be emailed to you. This would prove that you are client ready and ready to start earning as a virtual assistant. 100 days, 100 tasks, client ready na by 2026. So kung pinapanood mo to at hindi ka pa nakaka-join, mag-comment ka lang dyan ng hashtag VA Success Tricks 2026 challenge, and let's go ahead and start your freelancing journey today. I'll see you sa classroom. Bye!